Hi everyone, Daisy here for my kind of crocheting side of things. I decided to do a yarn haul. I recently ordered from the Fair Isle company. They are based in Canada, I'm pretty sure. I'm sorry if my camera's a little out of focus. I can't tell if it's just me or if it's really out of focus. So anyhow, that's from my dog jumping on the couch, the little wiggle there. So anyhow, so I placed an order with the Fair Isle. I found out about it from the Bag a Day Crochet, I want to say. I'm a poet and didn't know it. Anyhow, from her YouTube channel. She did an unboxing and I was super amazed and excited and had to go check this out. So I started out using the Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I don't like it. It's cheap, but it feels cheap. Like it's scratchy. I don't like the way it feels. And I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if it's just the yarn. It splits all the time on me and I find it super frustrating. So then I switched to the Caron, like 1 pound, whatever yarn that is, and it's softer and I like it much better. It does not split the same way, so that's kind of like my basic yarn that I like. My go-to yarn is Caron. But she unboxed all of this Fair Isle stuff and I wanted to try it because it looked amazing and they were having a sale, so I'm like, why not? I'm going to tell you prices on things, but it's the price I paid. So it seems like they have kind of an ongoing sales situation going on their website, which I will leave a link down below. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I purchased all of this with my own money. Right now they have free shipping on all orders over $100 or more. They do ship from Canada. However, my shipping was $8.99 and I got a huge box. So was very impressed with that. I also got it so I ordered it on February 6th. And I think it was delivered like February 10th or 11th or something like that. So it was super fast shipping, which I was completely surprised by because I mean, like I ordered from Joann's and it took like almost a week and a half to get it. So I was not expecting to get something from Canada this fast. So super excited. But anyhow, like I said, I am going to tell you the prices I paid for things. It is not the price that it is on the website, but the prices are always kind of fluctuating, it seems like, with their sales, so you just have to check it out. All right, so let's just get into it. So I'm going to start out with this one. So I got two different colors. So this is the Liberty Fair Isle, sorry, my lights, there we go, Liberty Chunky yarn. It's a bulky 5. I think that's right, but I don't know. Like, based off of what little I know about yarn, I would say it's probably a 5. It's thicker than what I'm used to using. So, it is 100% acrylic. It's made in China. It came from Ontario, Canada, looks like. Machine wash warm, tumble dry low. And it says to use a 4mm hook. And you get 263 yards. It's 7 ounces, 200 grams, 240 meters. So I bought this color, which is Royal, and this color, which is Aster. And they are so pretty and they're so soft. Like, they're not, I don't know how to explain it. They're really, really, really soft, but not like, it's not like Karen's Simply Soft kind of soft. but compared to like Super Saver, yeah, way softer. I don't know. Maybe this isn't a 5. I feel like maybe this might be a 4. It's a 4.5. How about that? Okay, so I got 2 colors. I got 2 skeins of each, and these ones I paid $2.69 a skein for. So a little over $5 for 2. But they are really soft. I really do like them a lot. So then I got these ones, which are the Liberty, what are these called? Liberty 200. And these are 100% acrylic, made in China. This one is Atomic Turquoise. Or, no, Atomic Turk. Sorry. It is a 4 medium weight yarn. Machine wash warm. Tumble dry low. They say to use a 6.5 millimeter hook. Really? Why would you use a 4 on the chunky? But see, so this is the chunky yarn. This is the medium 4. So that's why, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's that big of a difference. So I'm not really sure. But they were the same price. They're $2.69 a yard. I got 2 of each of these colors. So this is the Liberty, oh, and I'm sorry. It is 353 yards, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 322 meters. Really soft. I would say like Karen 1 pound kind of soft. I definitely like it. I feel like the twist on it's a little bit tighter than Karen. Just a minute, Gambit. Sorry, my dog wants to go outside. So I got it 2 of the Atomic Turk, 2 of the Hyacinth, because purple is my favorite, and 2 of the Denim, which this is a super pretty blue color, for $2.69 a skein. And then I got 2 of these. These are the Liberty 400. These are, they're super big. Just give me a minute. Okay. So I just had to let the dogs out. So anyhow, this is the Liberty 400. There's 706 yards, 14 ounces, 644 meters, and 400 grams. It is a medium 4. Okay. This is silver. 6.5 millimeter hook, machine wash warm, tumble dry low, 100% acrylic, made in China. So this is the same yarn, just more of it. So for each one of these, I paid $5.09. So even for, I mean, it's definitely better than Super Saver. Maybe between Super Saver and Karen, the 1 pound ones. Maybe. I got 2 colors. I got silver, and then I got Blossom, this beautiful pink color. $5 is a great deal. I mean, you can't, Super Saver, I can get it at Walmart for $6.44. I can get it on sale at Joann's for about $6.44. So, sorry about that. I'm getting text messages from my daughter. So, anyhow, it's very nice, and I'm super excited to use it. No idea what I'm going to do with it, though. I only got 1 skein of each of those because it's so much. So then I got a couple of specialty yarns, which I have not, this is kind of my first, like, wander into the specialty yarns. So I'm going to show you this one first. So these are ones I think I saw on Bag a Day Crochet YouTube. I think I got that right this time. I really like them. They're super soft. So this is called Fair Isle Sutton. It is 109 yards, 3.5 ounces, 119 meters, and 100 grams. It is 100% polyester, made in China. This color is called Sterling, and it's a bulky 5, hand wash warm, lay flat to dry, 6.5 millimeter hook, or a 6 millimeter knitting hook if you're wondering. So this is, let's see if I can, it's like a, I don't know enough about yarn to tell you what it is, but it's got like a little thread, a bunch of thread in the center, and then it's got like a black thread twisted around it, kind of holding it together. I'm not really sure what to make with this, so if anybody has any ideas, I was thinking probably a scarf or a cowl maybe, I don't know. I haven't tried a cowl yet. I'm kind of excited to do that. But they are soft. Like, I really like them. They're squishy. Not as soft as the next one I'm going to show you, which I am probably going to hoard forever and ever and ever. Or I could just buy more, I guess. But, yeah. Feels really nice. I like this. I'm a little nervous to work with it because, like I said, I don't use specialty yarn, or I haven't yet. So, I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to do it. I thought it'd be nice for something for my husband or my son. So I got 2 of those. Oh, sorry. And those are those were $2.49 a skein. Or was it $2.49 for both? It was a really good sale, so I'm not really sure. Anyhow, this is the last one. Oh, like, I'm gonna make I think I want to make a like cowl out of it for me. So I live in Wisconsin, so it's always cold here, so definitely would make a super soft cowl. Okay, so this is the Fair Isle Vashon. It is 124 yards, 3.5 ounces, 113 meters, and 100 grams. It says it is a medium 4. It is 100% acrylic, made in China. This is the viola color. Machine wash warm, tumble dry low, 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or 5.5 knitting needles. Oh, like, I got 2 of them. It's so soft, so soft. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I'm nervous to use it. I don't want to mess it up because it's so pretty. Like, I just want to squish it. I keep looking at it and like I take it out and touch it and then I put it back on my shelf because, I mean, I'm scared to use it because what if I mess it up? I mean, then I just buy more because it was really cheap, right? So, sorry about my dogs barking. So my entire order came to $48.64, and then, like I said, $8.99 for shipping, which was really good. I got it within a few days, which was completely reasonable, and I will definitely purchase from them again. I'm probably going to get some more of these, maybe in a different color, but I am very excited to work with this yarn. Like I said, I purchased all this on my own, obviously, because why would anybody sponsor it? This is like my second crochet video, right? But anyhow, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will definitely be doing another one. I'm really sorry about my crazy dog. I'll be doing another one soon. I just ordered some stuff from Michael's for their President's Day sale. So hopefully I can do an unboxing when I get it. I didn't order too much, just a little bit. But I'm also going to go to Hobby Lobby and buy some more yarn so I can maybe combine the two and do a haul. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Like I said, I will link Fair Isle down below for sure, so that you can go check out their yarn. Especially this, I highly recommend this. It's so soft. But I really like all of their yarns, so I definitely will be ordering from them again. So I will link all of that down below so that you can go check them out as well. And if you like this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be great. And I really appreciate everybody who took the time to watch this. And thank you to any of my new subscribers and anybody who stuck around to watch this video. It's not scrapbooking, which is kind of what my channel has been for the last couple of years. So I'm just adding some new content to it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.